It was fun. Okay guys, I'm out again to test my Air 2. I got some problems these days, so I'm testing the same app. I reinstall it, deleted it and install it again. This is the app version 1.2.4 and I'm shooting this with my Huawei P30 Pro. This is an Android device, so I'm going to take the drone up and see if I got the same connection problems with this one. So let's bring her up.
The home point has been updated. Please check it
It's
out.
hovering with no problem at all. No connection errors. Let's head out. The weather is really beautiful. So let's take her out. I'm gonna change this one. No connection error so far. Everything is looking good. Let's bring her back. She's coming back. Pitch the gimbal down. No problem so far. Okay, let's try some tracking. Okay, let's stop recording and see what she's doing. Let's go this way. So far, so good. It's pretty good so far. Let's see if she's losing me. She seems like she's tracking me. This way. Okay, she's coming. Let's bring her down a little bit. Like this. She can track me. I'm using the Huawei phone now, so no connection error so far. Let's go this way. looking good. Here. Let's see what she's doing. Pretty good. Let's go up again. She's pretty low to the ground now, so let's see. She's locked on. Okay guys, a little update on my drone experience with the Android app 1.2.4. Just went out flying and everything was working just perfect. That's really strange. Yesterday everything was just terrible, so it seems to be working now, so that's really good. I'm still gonna do more test flights, of course, because this could be an issue. I didn't fly too far today, just a couple of 100 meters, but just testing different things and everything working just fine, so just perfect. I recommend of course to uninstall and install the app before you go out flying, because there have been some issues with it. That's my experience. Some people told me that I should change the cable. I did that, but today I was flying with my old cable. Nothing was wrong. So and yesterday I tested the second cable. It was the same RC connection problem. So yeah, it seems to be something that are not as it should be, but I'm pretty sure that DJI will figure this out. So I'm lucky. I have a working drone now, so I can fly and have fun. Yeah guys, then the video is over. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means so much to me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. It's free and it's easy. Just hit that red marker. It makes me more motivated to keep doing this. Whoops, to go out and make more content, building my channel. So if there's anything else you want to see, drop it in the comments. I will try to do my best. I'm planning to do more of this. I'm planning to hike more, show our beautiful nature here in Norway. And I'm thinking about making some tutorials in the editing. I'm not professional, but I think I'm pretty good at it. So yeah, but subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.